Ever wonder why some makeup looks just asterisk work, asterisk, while others fall a bit flat? A huge part of the magic is understanding your face shape. For those of you with oval faces, you've actually hit the jackpot. The oval face is often considered the ideal shape in makeup artistry because of its balanced proportions. Your face is slightly longer than it is wide, with a gently rounded jawline and forehead. This natural balance means you have a fantastic canvas to work with. The history of makeup is filled with icons who knew how to play up their features. Think back to the golden age of Hollywood. Actresses with oval faces were celebrated for their classic beauty. Makeup artists of that era understood that enhancing the natural bone structure was key. They didn't try to change the face shape, but rather to accentuate its inherent harmony. The focus was on creating soft dimension, making the cheekbones the star of the show. This wasn't about harsh, dramatic contouring like we sometimes see today. It was about a subtle, sophisticated lift, using light and shadow to create a radiant, sculpted look that appeared effortlessly beautiful. Now, let's bring that timeless technique into today. For an oval face, the goal of highlighting isn't to change your proportions, but to enhance what you already have. We want to bring light to the high points of your face to create a natural-looking lift and dimension. The key is strategic placement. Imagine a soft light hitting your face from above. Where does it naturally land? Those are the spots we want to emphasize. For the cheekbones, the perfect placement is on the very top, right above where you would typically apply your blush. We're not bringing the highlight down towards the apple of the cheek, nor are we taking it too far out towards the temple. It's that sweet spot right on the peak of the bone. This simple trick draws the eye upward, making your cheekbones appear more prominent and defined without altering the beautiful balance of your oval face. It's all about working with your natural structure, not against it. Let's talk about products. The world of highlighters can be overwhelming, but for this technique, you have some great options. You can choose between powder, cream, or liquid formulas. Powder highlighters are fantastic for a classic, buildable glow. They're easy to control and perfect for a soft focus finish. Cream highlighters melt into the skin, giving you a very natural, dewy, lit-from-within look. They're wonderful for drier skin types or for days when you want a more subtle effect. And then there are liquid highlighters. These are the power players for a serious glow. You can mix them with your foundation for all-over radiance or dot them on specific areas for an intense, reflective shine. The color is just as important. For fair to light skin tones, champagne, pearl, or icy pink shades work beautifully. For medium skin tones, think peachy gold or warm champagne. And for deep skin tones, rich gold, bronze, or coppery rose gold tones are absolutely stunning. The goal is to choose a shade that complements your undertone and looks like a natural reflection of light on your skin. All right, let's get practical. How do we apply it for that perfect, seamless finish? First, tools. For powder highlighters, a small, fluffy fan brush or a tapered highlighting brush is your best friend. A fan brush gives a very light, diffused application, which is great for a subtle sheen. A tapered brush allows for more precise placement right on the top of the cheekbone. If you're using a cream or liquid highlighter, your fingertips are often the best tool. The warmth from your fingers helps the product melt into your skin, creating a supernatural blend. You can also use a damp makeup sponge. Just pounce the sponge lightly over the product and then gently tap it onto your cheekbones. This technique gives a beautiful, airbrushed effect. The key, no matter what tool you use, is to blend it. We want the highlight to look like it's part of your skin, not just sitting on top of it. Start with a small amount of product and build it up slowly until you reach your desired level of glow. So, let's put it all together in a simple step-by-step routine. After you've applied your foundation, concealer, and any contour or bronzer, it's time for the glow. Take your chosen highlighter and your preferred tool. If you're using a brush with powder, swirl it in the product and tap off any excess. Smile gently in the mirror to locate the highest point of your cheekbone. Now, lightly sweep the brush in a C shape, starting from the top of your cheekbone and curving slightly up towards your temple, just above the tail of your eyebrow. This motion enhances the natural curve of your bone structure. If you're using a cream or liquid with your fingers or a sponge, dot a small amount on that same high point and gently tap to blend it out. Don't drag or rub, as that can disturb the makeup underneath. Use soft tapping motions. For an extra pop, you can add a tiny bit of highlight to the bridge of your nose, your Cupid's bow, and the inner corner of your eyes. These small touches bring light to the center of your face and tie the whole look together, giving you that radiant, harmonious glow that perfectly celebrates the beautiful balance of your oval face.